So I've been working on repaint videos nonstop for a few weeks now, and I figured I would just take a mental break and do a video on something a little different today. So I got this awesome diorama set by a company called Fresh Retro, and this is their Scene in Box '09 Bazaar building, and it's a 1/18 scale 2-story building that has a very Jurassic maintenance shed vibe to it, which is the main reason why I grabbed it, because I'm always on the lookout for world building stuff for the photography that I do. And when I came across this, it just looked so cool. I had to grab it to see what it was all about. So I pre-ordered it off of Big Bad Toy Store a few months ago, and they're finally starting to ship it. So I'll drop a link down below in case you want to check it out if that's your thing. There are currently 3 different sets in this particular line that you can buy and then connect together to make one massive diorama. But for now, I just wanted to grab one to see how well it works with my Jurassic setup before I committed to all 3. Because even though these are really cool, they are pricey, around $50 a pop. But then again, so was the Outpost Chaos playset, and I honestly feel like I can get more use out of something like this, and I'll have more options with it than I would with the Dominion playset. So this is going to be just a laid-back, kind of chilled video, and I'm going to take some time to put this thing together, and then I'll test it out at the end with some Jurassic figures. So I'm going to go ahead and get situated and lay everything out, and I'm going to start to put this thing together and see what it's all about. So just cracking the box open, the first thing on top is the instruction manual, and then there is a decal set in here with several different stickers that you can actually put on the building if you want. And then all of the parts are neatly packed inside this plastic tray. And for such a big building, they've done a really good job at keeping everything sort of packed in there nice and tight. So I've got everything laid out on my desk, and there are a lot of parts to this thing. It looks super overwhelming, but fortunately, every little part is in a baggie, and each baggie is numbered with a letter and a number to show you where to start first. So it's very organized and user-friendly. So it looks like this is going to be a fairly simple build. And it's not going to be anything too crazy or complicated. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting everything taken out and put together. I'm probably not going to talk for the rest of this until the end of the video, because there's really not much to say. I'm just going to build it. That way you can kind of see me doing it, and then we'll have some fun with it at the end of the video. So I'll see you then. So here it is all put together, and it actually didn't take me too long, about an hour and some change, and that's with filming and readjusting the camera and stuff. But I gotta say, this thing looks seriously cool in person, especially with some of the Joy-In military base fencing around it and some mood lighting. It gives a lot of options for different scenes and setups, from Grant taking on the Raptors or the T-Rex, kind of like in the Sega Genesis game, or using it as a maintenance shed for some shots with Ray Arnold or Ellie Sattler. If Jurassic World is more your style, it also works great as an ACU base, by rearranging the layout and adding some different props like a weapons rack, a helicopter, and some of the Jurassic World trucks. So you can see here that there are a lot of combinations and possibilities with just one building, and I imagine if you had all three, then you could really make an awesome setup. So overall, I'm super happy with this. It has everything that I need to, build a world and set up an atmosphere and create an environment for the shots that I enjoy doing. And I definitely plan on getting the other two and also checking out what other bases that Fresh Retro has to offer. So that is all I've got for this video. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me and watching. If you need more Jurassic related content, you know where to find it. Links will be in the description box below. You guys take care, and I'll see you around the compound.